Hi guys, hi beautiful guys. Today's the day. I'm outside and I'm going to take you guys to Zurich to see the beautiful, beautiful Christmas lights on the streets. But before I do that, I'm going to go to work, and then after work, I take you guys there. Usually I go by car, but today I thought, you know what, it's probably nicer to go by train, and I'm more flexible. I don't have to think about parking or stuff like that. So I'm going with the train. It costs about 50 francs from where I live to go to my workplace. But for some reason I went to the Gemeinde, or my local office today, to find out something, and then I saw that they have, I remember that they sell Tageskarte for the train ticket. That's the day ticket, and you can use this train ticket, this day ticket, to go all over Switzerland with train, with the bus, and with trams. So I asked the lady, how much does it cost? She said 40. So I was like, okay, it's cheaper than me. It's cheaper than me buying the ticket for almost 50. So let me go. So I went home, got my purse, because I didn't have my purse. Went home, got my purse. When I came back, the lady said, it's 11 o'clock. It's after 11 o'clock, so it's half price. So I got the ticket. This ticket I can use to go all over Switzerland, back and forth, for 20 francs. That's crazy. Guys, I have no excuse not to show you guys Switzerland and the beauty of Switzerland, because 20 francs for a ticket to go all over Switzerland is freaking amazing. Anyways, I'm walking to the train. I'll see you guys soon. Train station, and usually in Switzerland there are multiple ways to buy your train ticket. So this is one. This is at the train station. You can come here and use your card or cash to buy your ticket. You can buy it online. Usually online is a little bit cheaper. There's an app, SBB app, that you can buy your train, bus and tram tickets on, or you can do like what I did and buy it in the local Gemeinde, your council office, because it's subsidized by your local council, so it's cheap. And I think they have a limited amount, so if you know that you're traveling in advance, then you can buy it and you get it for that reduced price. If not many people are traveling, like now I don't think many people are traveling, then you can go 11 o'clock and after and get it for even a more reduced price. I'm now on the first train from my village to the next village, and then I'll take the inter-regional train from there, which is a bigger train and a faster train. So this is just like the little train. It's called the Turbo. I really love the different ways of transportation, the different modes of transportation here in Switzerland. All right, see you guys soon. Yeah, got it. I'm gonna go upstairs. I made it, guys. Comfortable spot. Oh my god. So I made it. I'm going to undress. Give me a minute. Over here where you see all the cars, that's Germany. That's the border to Switzerland. Germany and Switzerland. Oh my god, this is so dark. So guys, I just finished working and now I'm going back to the tram to get the tram, and I'm going in the town, and it's perfect because now it's dark, and that was the whole point of this. was to do it when it's dark so we can see the lights. All right, thank you guys. If you're still watching this, thank you, and I'm going to reward you by showing you some amazing lights. Hi guys, so I'm finally in the city to spoil you guys with beautiful lights. Already you can see that's like the above light. It's so beautiful. I'm in Zurich city, so I'm not really sure if I'm supposed to be. I see everybody with masks. Where I live, we don't really wear masks if we're outside. So, but here I see people with masks. So beautiful. Look, that's the store, nicely decorated. You can't see it. Nicely decorated. Ooh, look at cupolas. Can you see that building? It's showing blue. Oh, it's now blue. It was just red. So cool. And that's Globus. I just said Globulus. Oh my god. I don't know where I'm going to head to, but I'm going to walk and just see different streets that are decorated, and I will. I'm so excited. It's so different from where I live. Look at the fashion road. This is Bahnhofstrasse, and it's like one of the most popular streets in Zurich. In Zurich, the building is now green and white. I don't know what color, but anyways, yeah, it's one of the most popular streets in Zurich, and yeah, I'm loving this. This is like the opposite to where I live, because where I live, it's more quiet, you know, it's more calm, and these places have tram, and where I live don't have tram, so I I have to look very keenly or else I might get hit. And I'm walking across some tram streets here, and I don't really know what I'm doing, but the lights are, the skylight goes all the way from one end of the street to the other end of the street. It's very beautiful. The shops are also nicely decorated. So I think I have a ticket, you know, that special ticket I bought today. So I'm going to jump on a tram now and go a little bit further to show you some other decorations. Tell no lie, I'm not gonna lie, it's quite cold, and I had to draw for these. It's cold. So I said I was going to get the tram, but I saw this street and it's so beautiful, so I had to show you the lights again. Oh, I found a beautiful Christmas tree. I don't feel so awkward because I see some people behind me with camera. Look at that light. This decoration here is I don't know if it's for the restaurant, but the restaurant next to it is Terrasse, and it's one of the most popular restaurants here in Zurich. But I'm not sure if this decoration is for it's theirs. Guys, and welcome to Weihnachtsmarkt. Just kidding. But that's where they would usually have the Christmas market over here. But yeah, it's closed this year. Okay guys, so I want to get some chestnuts, and I'm going to ask the chestnuts guys if I can film. I don't know if they will allow me, but roasting. Okay, 100 Gramm bitte. Nein, 150. Entschuldigung. Keep my hands warm. Okay, so off to the next one. That man is very cheeky, so I'm taking some nuts from the one that wasn't finished. Well, anyways, I'm going to eat these before they get cold. Talk to you when I get to the train station, because I'm gonna head home now. It's really cold. And guys, yet another beautiful street with beautiful lights next to the Bahnhof, and it's beautiful lightings all the way up to the end of the street. Amazing. And here's the Bahnhof. I went to look for the Swarovski Christmas tree, but I didn't see it, so I'm not sure if I was in the wrong place or on the wrong level. Well, still the wrong place either way. So I'm just gonna try to find the tree, because I still have time for my train. I feel like I've been filming for hours. I see no sign. I see Swarovski. I think these light stuff here are from Swarovski, I think, but I don't see the Christmas tree. I'm so disappointed. I have to come back here. I don't think it would be down here. I don't know where it is. Honestly, I don't know where it is. Oh, my hair. I've braided my hair and it's so long. I love it so much. Can you see it? It's beautiful. Okay, I think that's it for tree hunting. I think I might be in the wrong place though. That's what I think. The tree is probably somewhere else chilling, and I'm over here looking for it. Alright guys, I'm gonna get my train. That's it for the Zurich and the Zurich lights. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you guys for keeping me company. I really felt like I had company. I really felt like I was walking with someone, talking with somebody, and I appreciate that. The only thing I see closest to a tree is this, and that ain't a tree. It ain't a tree. So if you know where the tree is, the Christmas tree in Zurich Bahnhof is, please tell me, please. I need to find it. I'll just look where my train is. Probably get something to eat. I'm a little bit hungry. Alright guys, catch you later. The trains are over here. I just have to look where my train is. Okay, bye guys, thank you for watching. Mwah, mwah.